Hi everyone, my name is Kirtana and today Tiffany and I will be explaining our simulation and credibility theory assignment question number 8. So it is given that X is the random variable denoting the number of claims in one day. The following is a sample of number of claims occurring on 5 randomly chosen days, which is 2, 0, 4, 5, and 7. The following estimator from a sample of n days is used to estimate probability of X less than or equals to 4. So we know that the bootstrap approximation is applied to estimate the mean square error of data cat using the following 25 samples simulated from the empirical distribution of the original sample. So we see that the question has provided us with 25 samples. So we are required to find the bootstrap approximation to the mean square error of the estimator. For this question, we would be using Excel to solve. So from the question given, we first list down the given information. So it is given the empirical distribution and the given sample is 2, 0, 4, 5, and 7 claims. So the total number of days n is 5. And the number of days with 4 claims or less is 3 days, which is 2, 0, and 4. To find the value of theta, we take the number of days with 4 claims or less divided by the total number of days n, which is 3 divided by 5, and it will give us 0.6. So for the sample simulated from the empirical distribution of the original sample, the total number of samples is 25. And the total number of days for each sample is 5 days.
So there's actually two ways to find the number of days with 4 claims or less. So for the first method, we highlight the days and we will be doing conditional formatting. So we will put the conditional formatting less than 5, which is equals to 4 claims or less. And the number of days with 4 claims or less will be highlighted. So for the second method, we will be using the count if formula, which is count if the range for the 5 days and the criteria, which is less or equals to 4. Then we drag it down to the 25th sample. All the number of days with 4 claims or less will be listed. So for theta cap, it's actually the probability of the number of days with 4 claims or less for the sample. It is equals to the number of days with 4 claims or less over the number of days. And we log the number of days and we drag it down. So for theta cap minus theta is equals to the theta cap minus theta, which is 0.6, and we have to log the 0.6. Drag it down to 25th sample as well. So for the last step, it is the theta cap minus theta to the power of 2. So it is equals to this to the power of 2. And drag it down. Then to find the average, we have to use the formula of average and the range of the 25th sample. So we will know the bootstrap approximation will be 0.0352. So that's all for our question 8 for simulation and credibility theory. Thank you.